There's cool mist rising from the waters below, placed on our boat this spring morning. And so to celebrate the first day of spring, we decided to set our sails down the River Deben, and our destination for the weekend was the Ramsholt Inn. Hiding behind the wheel. Scrubbing the deck. So we motored down the Deben River, which is somewhat windy and has a few bends. It's nestled in the Suffolk countryside, which leads to Felixstowe Ferry, and then you're out to the North Sea. Getting ready to go on shore. Take the dogs for a walk.
Not a mark on the hull at all. Right, Zula.
3 little dogs going up the shore. We pulled up a buoy in the middle of the river for deeper waters, although we do have a shoal draft on our keel. The river, it snakes north and west and is surrounded by marshes. We motored up to the quay. That's me, Captain Goo. Lord of it all. Hi. Malcolm is enticed by the sun, the calm waters, and the sounds of chatter coming from the distance, and a 5 horsepower tender wanting to be planed on the River Deben. Not too fast. Oh, poor Runty. It's cute. Cute people there. We spent 2 nights here at Ramsholt. We are now heading back to Tidemill. It's now 6 o'clock in the morning and we need to catch the tide going back down the river so that we can get over the sill. Hopefully we catch the tide in.
You will. Oh yeah, you will. Got the lights on. Lights on. Odds and evens.
Yeah.
Maybe they do it like that.
Maybe the green boy's 5. There's
Now
the
that
green.
one will be 7. If they're doing odds and evens.
We'll soon pass Waldringfield, Pretty Man's Point and the rocks. The channel near Waldringfield looks wide at high water, but don't be deceived. You need to stay close to the sailing club for deeper waters.
Yeah, these are all summer lodges. Look, see the summer lodges, people go sailing.
Yeah. Pretty.
Summer camp.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty Odin, it's called.
You wouldn't spend much time on the weekend.
Yeah. I think the fog is clearing now.
Eh?
The fog is kind of clearing.
Yeah, but it's got, what's nice about that is it's got all the patio doors.
Yeah.
Keeps it all warm inside.
Whippersnapper boats like that. John's boat. Very Dating back to 1793, Tidemill is a museum worth visiting. It has been restored to working order, and the records show that Tidemill has been operated since 1170. It works by harnessing reliable energy caused by the tide from the river to drive the millstone, to grind the flour, and to produce bread.
Self-stand.
caught there? Oh, it's caught on the